Hey guys, I just want to let you know I just bought this brand new Roku TV TCL, and 2 days later, TV won't turn on. So I just apparently a lot of people are having a hard time with a TCL Roku TV won't turn on. So I'm about to return it and see what they can do about it. So just want to inform to everybody else that the TV won't turn on. So you see the light underneath, that's the indicator that it's on already. I got my remote right here. I'm going to try to turn it on. Still the same, it won't turn on. I unplugged it, waited about a few minutes, turned it back on, it still won't turn on. I've done everything I could do, still won't turn on. Check all the plugs and the wires underneath, still won't turn on. So I'm trying to inform everybody over there who wants to buy a Roku TV, TLC, do not buy it. Don't buy this TV, But if you want to buy it, then you're taking chances. You're going to return it back. I'm pretty much sure you're going to get your money back, but it's the hassle of it that you won't have a TV for a couple days. But anyway, this is Roku TV TLC. And if you guys are going to purchase one, good luck.